Are you searching for a robust yet affordable alternative to Microsoft Office or Google Workspace? Enter the all-access TrulyOffice suite, a comprehensive office productivity suite designed to meet diverse needs. It includes applications for word processing, spreadsheets, presentations, and email management. With seamless cloud integration, TrulyOffice ensures access across Windows, macOS, Linux, and mobile devices. Whether you're a student, educator, small business, freelancer, or personal user, TrulyOffice offers a cost-effective solution for all your document creation and management needs. A good office suite should be intuitive and user-friendly. TrulyOffice delivers with a clean, modern user interface reminiscent of Microsoft Office. Its ribbon-style navigation provides easy access to formatting and editing tools, while a dark mode option helps reduce eye strain during long work sessions. The multi-tab document view allows users to open multiple documents in a single window. With minimal learning curve and familiar drag-and-drop functionality, TrulyOffice is accessible for both beginners and experienced users alike. Switching Office software often raises concerns about document handling and collaboration. TrulyOffice excels in these areas. Its word processing application, TrulyOffice Writer, offers real-time editing, auto-save, advanced formatting options, and secure document creation with mail merge and encryption. For spreadsheets, TrulyOffice Sheets supports Excel formulas, pivot tables, and real-time collaboration. Presentations are a breeze with TrulyOffice Slides, which maintains PowerPoint formatting and includes built-in templates and animations. TrulyOffice's document compatibility and collaboration tools rival those of premium office suites. How does TrulyOffice perform in real-world use? It impresses with fast loading times, low memory usage, and smooth real-time editing. Cloud integration is seamless, with sync options for Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox, allowing easy file access anywhere. Offline mode ensures productivity without an internet connection, and multi-device compatibility means you can access files from your PC, tablet, or phone. TrulyOffice's performance and cloud integration make remote work and team collaboration straightforward and efficient. Let's break down the advantages and drawbacks of the TrulyOffice suite. On the pro side, it's an affordable alternative to Microsoft Office, offering a full feature set without expensive subscriptions. It boasts great document compatibility and real-time collaboration tools, supporting Windows, macOS, Linux, and mobile devices. However, it's not as widely adopted as Microsoft Office, which may lead to minor formatting issues with complex files. Additionally, it has limited third-party integrations and lacks AI-powered tools found in Microsoft's offerings. How much does TrulyOffice cost, and is it a good deal? TrulyOffice offers both a one-time purchase and a subscription model, both significantly cheaper than Microsoft Office 365 or Google Workspace. There are no hidden fees or costly upgrades, making it an excellent value for the price. Compared to Office 365's high monthly cost, TrulyOffice provides a budget-friendly option without sacrificing essential features, making it a smart investment for those seeking a comprehensive office suite. So, is TrulyOffice the best office suite for you? If you need a full-featured office suite without the high cost, TrulyOffice is a compelling choice. It offers a user-friendly alternative with robust cloud and collaboration tools. However, if your work relies heavily on deep Microsoft Office integrations or advanced AI-powered features, you might find TrulyOffice lacking. Ultimately, TrulyOffice is a solid option for those seeking an affordable, feature-rich office suite that meets everyday productivity needs. In conclusion, the all-access TrulyOffice suite stands out as a powerful and affordable alternative to traditional office software. With its comprehensive feature set, seamless cloud integration, and user-friendly interface, it caters to a wide range of users, from students to small businesses. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of Microsoft Office, its value proposition is undeniable. For those looking to maximize productivity without breaking the bank, TrulyOffice is a worthy contender in the office suite arena.